good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you this really cool presets inside Grossbeat that you can use to get some really dope transitions and sauce in your trap beats, alright? Before we get into this, I do want to say the melody you're about to hear was made by the homie Phor McGinnis for our new sample pack that we dropped together and with DC the beatmaker called Critique Clan Sample Pack Volume 1. It's got 30 melodies, the stems are included, and it's royalty free. I'd appreciate it if you go and check that out with the link in the description. And I'd appreciate it even more if you cop that, because you'd be getting tons of value and you'd be investing in us, three hardworking gentlemen who are trying to make it in this game, okay? So go check that out. There's some audio samples you can listen to, but there's so much variety in there. So you're really going to have to get the pack to hear all of the different versatility and the mad value that you can get with that. Enough on that, let's continue with this video. So I'm going to play you this, and then I'm going to show you how I did it, all right? Okay, so what we did is we routed everything to the mixer tracks and we put that on a master bus, okay, a second master, not the actual master. And I went into Grossbeat, I went under the pitch shifter presets, okay? Under the pitch shifter, there's these ARP ones for the actual time effects here, okay? We got time effects and then we got stutter effects down here. So what we did is we went to +2, which is just gonna bring it up, I think 2 semitones is what it does. And it gives it that, that higher pitch sound. So we just left that there. But then we went down to the stutter effects here, and the first one is declicking. But then you can hear right about here, it switches over to 1/4 bit gate, which gives it that super dope choppy noise. Now, how I did it to get all of it in one pattern is, I'll show you. I'm just going to mute these. We're going to want to highlight the area we want to do it to by right-clicking on the gray bar up here and dragging to wherever we want to highlight it to, okay? So you put Grossbeat on. You go over to that pitch shifter category where these presets are. Put the green area, the time area, put that on the +2. And then we're going to just use automation to automate that other one. So all we're going to want to do is just get another empty pattern, okay? So we'll just do pattern 12 since that's our next empty pattern and drag it out to that area we have highlighted. All right, now we go back into that Grossbeat and we're just going to click on the recording and do notes and automation, okay? And we'll just do it like this. Hit play. And just like that, you have it automated. Now, you're going to want to actually go over to the Grossbeat. You can rename it so you know what this is. I'm just going to call it Weird 2 since I already have this going on here. It's just muted. And just this mix knob here, drag it down, right click, and create automation clip. In that area you're highlighted, it'll create an automation clip to that area. Now we can just come here, right click it like that, bring up a point, bring up the incline, and do the same thing on the other side. And now we're telling FL Studio that we only want that automation part to happen at that time, okay? And now what I also did over here was I added that warp effect that you hear. You know, where the beat kind of warps down. So to get that, let's put in another gross beat. Let's highlight that area because we just want it for that one. This one's a lot simpler. Put in another gross beat. We're going to want to go over to the momentary. Nope. Patterns. That's what we're going to want to go to. And I think it's basic 10 in the patterns preset section. Basic 10. It just warps the beat. Super dope. You hear this a lot in a lot of trap beats, okay? So we're going to just rename this one and do the same thing. Bring the mix knob down, right click, create automation clip. And then once again, put in the points, the inclines to let FL Studio know we only want it happening at this part. You can do all sorts of different combinations, but this kind of combination really adds a lot of sauce, especially for harder trap beats like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, if you want to get melodies that sound like this and all other sorts of different kinds of melodies like lo-fi melodies, chill hop melodies, pop melodies, we just dropped a new pack that has all of that in there. Check it out with the link in the description. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.